Did you know your engine is quietly losing performance every time you drive? That sluggish acceleration, rough idle, or drop in fuel economy? It's not just in your head, your engine is getting weaker over time. But here's the good news. You don't need a full rebuild or costly repairs to fix it. In this video, I'll show you 7 proven maintenance tricks that can help restore your engine's lost power, boost fuel efficiency, and make your car run like it did when it was new. These tips can save you thousands in repairs and make your ride feel brand new, so stick around because this could be the best thing you do for your car all year. Let's jump in. 1. Use a high-quality full synthetic oil and change it on time. Your engine is a finely tuned machine with hundreds of fast-moving parts creating friction and heat. Over time, regular oil breaks down, forms sludge, and stops protecting those parts. That's when wear and damage start. Full synthetic oil is designed at the molecular level to resist breakdown, reduce friction by up to 47%, and keep your engine clean and protected, even in extreme conditions. But here's the catch, too many people either skip oil changes or use cheap, low-quality oil. Even synthetic oil should be changed every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on your driving habits. Neglecting oil changes can reduce engine efficiency by 10% or more, and in the worst-case scenario, lead to catastrophic engine failure. That's a $5,000 plus repair just because you didn't spend $50 on fresh oil. Clean or replace the MAF sensor for accurate air-fuel ratios. Your mass airflow sensor tells your engine how much air is coming in so it can inject the correct amount of fuel. If it's dirty or failing, your engine might run too rich or too lean, causing rough idling, hesitation, poor miles per gallon, and even engine knocking. Studies show a dirty MAF sensor can cut fuel efficiency by up to 15%. The fix? Just clean it every 10,000 to 15,000 miles with a dedicated MAF cleaner spray. It takes minutes and it makes a big difference. If it's damaged, replace it with a quality OEM or aftermarket part. Ignoring a bad sensor stresses your spark plugs, catalytic converter, and pistons, leading to expensive repairs down the road. Get a professional fuel injector cleaning to regain lost power. Does your engine feel sluggish or rough when idling? Your fuel injectors could be clogged. Carbon and varnish buildup affect spray patterns, leading to uneven combustion and poor throttle response. Clogged injectors can cut engine power by 10 to 15% and destroy your fuel economy. The Fix Professional High-Pressure Fuel Injector Cleaning. It restores proper fuel delivery and combustion. For maintenance, add a quality fuel injector cleaner every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. But if you're experiencing serious symptoms, like stalling or hesitation, get an ultrasonic cleaning or a fuel rail flush. Neglecting this can even damage your catalytic converter, a repair that could cost $1,500 or more. Replace worn spark plugs and ignition coils to maximize combustion. Spark plugs are what ignite the air-fuel mix that powers your engine. When they wear out, your engine misfires, your miles per gallon drops, and performance tanks. Bad plugs can cause up to a 30% decrease in fuel economy, but it's not just the plugs. Ignition coils deliver the high-voltage spark, and when they fail, your car may stall, misfire, or struggle to start. Follow your car's service manual. Copper plugs should be replaced every 30,000 miles. Platinum or iridium plugs, on the other hand, need replacement every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. If your car idles rough or feels sluggish, it's a good idea to replace your coils when you do the plugs. It's a smart move that saves money long-term. Upgrade your engine air filter for better breathing. Your engine burns thousands of gallons of air for every gallon of fuel. If that air is dirty or restricted, your engine struggles, reducing performance and fuel economy. A clogged air filter can reduce horsepower by up to 10% and increase fuel consumption. Replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles depending on driving conditions. Use an OEM filter or a high-performance option like K and N or AEM dry flow to get better airflow without sacrificing filtration. Perform a carbon cleaning, especially for direct injection engines. Over time, carbon builds up on your intake valves, pistons, and combustion chambers, choking airflow and messing up combustion. This is especially bad for direct injection engines, such as those from BMW, Audi, VW EcoBoost, and Toyota D4S, since fuel doesn't clean the valves like in port injection. Carbon buildup can reduce power and efficiency by 10 to 20% and cause knocking, misfires, and check engine lights. For mild buildup, use a quality intake valve cleaner every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. For severe cases, you'll need a professional walnut blasting to clean the intake ports and restore performance. Maintain the cooling system to prevent overheating and major engine damage. Your engine reaches internal temperatures over 4,500 degrees Fahrenheit during combustion. That's why your cooling system is critical, but most people neglect it, letting coolant go unchanged for years or ignoring leaks. That can lead to blown head gaskets, warped heads, or even a seized engine. Coolant contains corrosion inhibitors that wear out. When that happens, it becomes acidic and damages internal parts. So flush and replace coolant every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, and inspect your radiator, water pump, hoses, thermostat, and radiator cap. Even a bad radiator cap can cause overheating by failing to hold pressure. If you want your car to run smoother, accelerate faster, and sip less fuel, without spending thousands on repairs, these 7 steps are your roadmap. Don't wait for a breakdown. Start now. Your engine will thank you, and so will your wallet. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Automotors HQ for more practical car care tips that actually make a difference. Got a maintenance question or a topic you want covered next? Drop it in the comments.